Hey everybody, Andre is here and welcome again to our showroom. And today we have two windows to compare. So one window is on the left side is OKNA 500 series or OKNA Insul-Tec, and on the right side window is Precision-Weld OKNA 400 series. So, and we'd like to compare both of the windows and see what's the difference between these two windows, because sometimes people ask us, so with which window should I go, 500 or 400, which one is better, what's the difference? So that's why we'd like to compare them side by side, and so you can see and make a good decision for your windows. So as you can see, these windows one is smaller, OKNA 400, and OKNA 500 is slightly bigger, but in this case size doesn't matter. So let's start looking at these windows from the outside. So when we look from the outside at these two windows, so we can see a slight difference right away. So at OKNA 400 or Precision-Weld, the screen channel is pretty much flat and it looks still nice and beautiful, but it just all the way flat. And when we look at OKNA Insul-Tec or OKNA 500, we can see this a little bit texture in here, which adds better accent when you look at the window from the outside. So now let's look at from the inside at these two windows. So let me remind you that the smaller window, that's OKNA Precision-Weld on the right side, and on the left side, the bigger window, it's OKNA Insul-Tec or OKNA 500. So from the inside, we can see slight differences. So on OKNA 500, we have this much more beautiful sash lock on OKNA 500, and in here on OKNA 400 Precision-Weld, it's pretty much slightly different. Well, this one looks nice, this one is okay. With me, probably that doesn't make a big difference, but anyway, for you to decide which one looks nice. So night latch is the same pretty much on both windows, you can see, so they nothing different about that. Locks as well, both the same, low recessed, beautiful locks. So again, it's that same nice feature, as well as balance covers in here on OKNA Insul-Tec and OKNA Precision-Weld as well, beautiful nice balance cover. As far as energy efficiency goes, both windows have this nice thick triple layer weather stripping, both on OKNA Insul-Tec, and we can see here the same weather stripping on OKNA Precision-Weld, as well as at the top right here on both windows, same weather stripping, which is good. And in here, air bulb on OKNA Insul-Tec as well as OKNA Precision-Weld. So as you can see, there are like few differences. So somebody's gonna say, why should I pay more for OKNA Insul-Tec 500 or while I can buy OKNA Precision-Weld 400 cheaper? So, and we can tell you that the biggest difference is hidden inside the frame of these two windows. So let's we can try to explain you why OKNA Insul-Tec is higher and better than OKNA Precision-Weld 400. So the biggest difference between these two windows is the energy efficiency. Insul-Tec window, which is behind me right now, it does have better energy efficiency, and it has 5 chambers. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While Precision-Weld window has only 4 cavities. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means that Precision-Weld window slightly less energy efficient, and the frame and the sashes of Insul-Tec window OKNA 500 are slightly more durable than OKNA 400. So anyway, let's draw the line, figure out what the most biggest differences between these two windows. So that inside light latches, on the outside we have this slightly different screen channel on OKNA Insul-Tec than on OKNA Precision-Weld. And the biggest difference is not seen though, it's inside of these two windows. So OKNA Insul-Tec is slightly mobile insulated, the frame is slightly, and sashes is more thicker than Precision-Weld OKNA 400. So, well, for you to decide with which window to go. Both windows are beautiful, look good to me, look good to us. And but you know, if you want slightly something better, definitely go with OKNA 500. If you want energy efficiency and beauty, definitely go with 500. And you know, if you want nice, reliable and efficient window, you can go with OKNA Precision-Weld. So we hope we helped you to decide which window is what, and now you can see the clear difference between these two windows, OKNA Insul-Tec and OKNA Precision-Weld. And if you have any questions or comments, please post below. And thank you for watching. See you next time.